guys, and today it's Weekend Doll, and so today I just got this Hatchimals set, and so I'm gonna be opening it with you guys today, and so I got it from Justice, and I'm really excited to open it. So let's get started. This is the Hatchimals. I'm gonna read the instructions, but first let's get the box open. So I'm gonna try to, let's see. And I can't wait because it even says, find the golden Hatchimal. And I think there's supposed to be a golden Hatchimal right here. Because it says, find the golden Hatchimal. Come on, Mr. Thing. Open the box. Ugh. Okay, there. And so, ooh, we even got this pink nest. I forgot to tell you guys. And so, ooh, here are the little eggs. I'm gonna carefully get them out. And I'm gonna try to get this out really carefully so that it doesn't break, because I don't want to break this. Wow, this is hard to take out. They did put it nice and secure. Wow. And so, yes, there. We got this one out. Ooh, I can hear the little Hatchimal shaking in there. Ooh, and we also have a collector's guide in here. And so, now, it said, let's see here. What does it say at the back? It says hold. And then, you have to hold it. And then it's not really hatching right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try, and then I'm going to show you guys whenever it's going to hatch. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to show you. So whenever I'm done trying to open these eggs, then I'm going to show you, well, just one of the eggs, and then I'm going to open it and then show you how to open the other one. What did I open? And then I'm going to show you what it is. And I can't wait to find the golden thing, the golden Hatchimal, because I think there's supposed to be a golden Hatchimal.
No, not really.
I think probably. I don't really know because it says at the front, find the golden Hatchimal. So, yeah, and so, okay guys, I'm going to see you